just made eye contact with me. God, I hate this guy. I'm in my van. I'm gonna try to run him over. I'm gonna fucking try to run him over. Should I? Should I? Let's go for it! Yeah! I hate you, you motherfucker! I'm gonna kick your fucking ass! Hey, come back here! Coward! Coward! You suck, you coward! Damn it! Damn it! Oh man, I hate that guy. He is such a fucking coward. There he is again, he's mocking me! He's mocking me! Come back, you coward! Man, I hate that guy. No! Come... Dude! How the hell am I supposed to get him when he's up there?